Alright, so here's the problem I'm having with my Ivy Tech account. So I've just installed the new Office through the Ivy Tech website. And I go to log in to my Outlook. I'll get this booted up here. And of course I'll get that two-factor authentication. So here this goes. I'll put in my password. And it goes to my phone just fine. So my phone will accept the authentication. So this part works just fine. I can approve. So I approved it. But now you'll see something went wrong and it says this organization has disabled this device. So the error code is 135011. I'm not for sure what that means, but maybe that will help. One other thing I noticed is when I go to my shared experiences tab, so let me just type this in, shared experiences setting. So if I go to shared experiences, my Ivy Tech account would be normally, I guess, supposed to be connected here somehow. So once again, I try to log in. And it says something went wrong. I have this device disabled. So I don't know if there's anything that you guys can do about that or if there's any way to fix this. But I just realized that it might help me try to get to some of my Outlook and some of my OneDrive files. Yeah, the same thing happens with OneDrive, by the way, whenever I try to save it to my work account. So if I go to OneDrive, live.com, I sign in to my school account. So this is where I save all my files for my work. And now let's say I want to upload some files. So I've made some syllabuses at home. Let's see, here's a syllabus. We'll see if that works. Oh, that'll work. But the problem I do have is that if I do it the other way, if I'm working in a file, let's say I go to this, here's one of my syllabuses, and I might want to save it in my OneDrive. So I try to do that. I get this account error. We can't get your account right now. Please fix this and sign in. So that's obviously I have that account, so I don't want that. But let me just go ahead and sign in here and see what happens. So once again, I sign in, and the two-factor authentication. I'll go ahead and get through that. Approve, and same thing as last time. So I had really planned on using the school's laptop, but I would still like to use my desktop to do a lot of my paperwork. I don't know if it's still possible to connect at least my OneDrive or anything. I could upload it through the individual, but as you can tell, it might be kind of a pain after a while. But anyway, that's my problem. I don't know if there's anything you guys can do about it, but if you could really, if you have any suggestions, I would really appreciate your help. Hey, thanks.